This is the code. Okay, now submit it, save it, whatever you call it as. Okay, now you created a scheduled job from today, every day, night to 11 o'clock, maybe time zone also you can select. Okay, just see if we have IST. No, we have something, no, 5:30 plus 5:30. I don't know. Okay, let's say like this, US only, or
GMT.
GMT. Okay,
Time 23 hours.
23 is changed. Huh? Very good. If I don't keep 23, what will be taken? Ma? 0 means 12 o'clock,
12 o'clock.
Midnight.
midnight. Very good. Okay, so yes, from today onwards, in my instance, the job will run. If it finds some records, it will make that change. If it don't find the records, it will not find the change. It will not do the change. Okay. Now you created first time. You created today. Okay. From tomorrow it will run. What about the records that may be there? It will be updated tomorrow. That's for sure. But if you want to do it now, okay, you can execute now also. See here, you have something called execute now. If you execute now, the same script will immediately run. Okay. I ran it. And then let's see, it is updated. I think it is updated, but it is not properly updated, right? One is removed. Did we kept something like while, no? Active equal to true. Very good. This is true.
Might be the manager is not filled for
No,
the
no.
manager.
It is sorry, ma. What is that? So here you are saying that this is not correctly game, huh?
No, sir. The one record manager might not be the managers you in user table.
Okay,
The
okay.
managers
Manager,
manager.
manager is not found. Okay, okay, okay. But okay, maybe we didn't save it. Okay, but it ran it and it can't. Okay, see here. I think something changed for database, but it didn't come anything. It came blank. It removed it, but it came blank. Just give me a second. So the code we didn't properly written it, so or we didn't change it properly. So group database procurement. So database. Let's keep this guy and just give me 1 second. Maybe some code issue. Okay, this guy is inactive, right? Now two groups are there with this one. Okay, and both guys are same, no? So active to active to. So subscription group, assignment group. Okay, fine. As this guy is not available, his manager is Abraham Lincoln. So I saved it. I didn't save it, I think, earlier. Now I saved it. Now execute it. If it don't work, then dot working is not working. So let me see. One gone, ma. That's clear. And it is also setting blank. Why? Why is where is the script? Just give me 1 second. We didn't tested it. Generally, we will test properly and then keep it there. Okay. Uh-huh. Very good. Okay, fine. It is there.
Closing.
Closing is there, man. That there it is there, but here it is not there. So gs dot print of now we'll see undefined or sysid. Very good, sysid. And this sysid is of sysid is of Abraham Lincoln sysid. It should be Abraham Lincoln sysid. Okay, 8 8a, right? 8a. So the value is perfect, correct only. Now gr member equal to gr dot manager. Correct only, no? Manager. Correct only, ma. Or else manager.
manager dot
Sys
sysid.
sysid. Maybe
That should work. Yeah.
it is.
Sir, it's dot.
Got it, ma. I seen it. I seen it. Thank you. Yes. So good. So now let me try. I'm running from background script. Okay. If you run the same script in scheduled job also, the result is same. So go to groups. Where are the groups? Here. Get this guy again. At least one it will run, but let's do it. This is our requirement now. We need to run it. But why it is making it blank? Hmm. Okay. Now run it. Very good. Okay. So what is this sysad? It is going to some other user, ma. I don't know. You need to see why it is going to some other user. That is the reason it is not setting it up. Nine, 10. It is going to this person. Okay, go here and then see. Okay, but what happened to this one? It's changed.
Who is the procurement team manager?
Same guy. Don.
Don. Okay.
So we are only operating on one guy, right? Maybe let's see if we have two people on this user, with the same user. By any chance we are getting confused. Are we getting confused with this guy name? Okay, one only. And this guy's manager is Abraham Lincoln, and this is A8. Abraham Lincoln is also false. Huh? No, this guy is false. Correct only. So Abraham Lincoln is true. So the script is correct exactly, but here why we are getting gs.print active true, manager equal to false, manager active equal to false. Just give me 1 second, ma, please. 4 times it is running, but it should not run 4 times. And it is second time it is setting blank. So it is setting value, but it is again setting blank. I don't know. So gs.print gr dot get row count. It is 4 or 2. Here maybe some business tools are running. I think some business tools are running in the backend. So undefined get row count. Get row count. The backend some business tools are running, it seems. This guy is who? Manager. So right now it is correct. So database get the guy and then update. Right? Guess is that taken? Very good. Okay. Now the script should give 2, right? 2 and same sysad. Okay. Now good. Now 2 times are running. Okay, just give me a minute. Gr dot set workflow equal to false. Okay, so very good. Run it 2 times. Very good. 2 times. Inside that also 2 times. Now go here and then procurement and database. Very good. So go here. Just check those 2 updated. Database procurement. Correct. Right, Nama? Right? Everyone?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Maybe in the backend earlier when I ran, I seen 4 ma. Okay. 4 times it is updated. That means there is a business rule on this user table or group table. Whenever the group manager is changing, maybe some condition is triggering and again it is running. Because of that, we see maybe it is setting one value and then clearing one value. I don't know why it is. Okay. So now I set for flow equal to false so that it don't trigger any other business tools. Now it is very clean. You all agree? Is that clean? Yes or no?
I didn't get number 6. Line number 6. GR manager. Okay, now is
Now,
number
now
11.
you didn't get this one.
11. No, I didn't get a GR dot manager equals GR dot manager dot manager.
Okay.
I get the sysid.
What is our requirement? Our requirement is run a script to find out the record. Yes. Replace the group manager with existing user manager. So who is the existing user? So for this group, who is the existing user?
Admin Abraham Lincoln.
So
Okay.
if he is inactive, then his manager needs to be a manager for this group.
Okay, Aline. Okay.
So you got it, huh?
Which one's the first and which one is the second in the script?
So gr.manager is what here? This field.
Okay.
So gr.manager is this field. As this is the reference field, we are going inside it, and dot manager is this field. So the problem is, okay, confusion is this field name is also manager.
Manager.
Okay.
Correct.
Consider like if it is a leader. Okay, let's say here we have leader. In user table, we have leader. Then our script will be like, okay, gr.manager is a group manager field, and then leader sysid.
There's a new one. Okay, the first one is a old manager and the second one is a new manager. Okay, got you. Thank you.
Right?
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
if we put set workflow false means business rule will disable, right?
If any business rule will trigger because of this update or insert, they will not trigger now.
Okay.
So see here, I think I seen it. Aline is there. No, Aline is Abraham Lincoln manager. So we see this sysid, right? So second time it set the value, okay, and then it ran again, and then it took this guy a value, and then it is doing something. It is making blank, or I don't know. Okay, maybe this guy
Yes.
manager. We don't have a manager for this guy, and it is trying to get his manager next time, and it is setting 0.
Okay.
You are getting it. So there is another business tool is running.
Yeah.
Here it is recursing. Recursing means repeating.
Okay.
So now it is clear. So I reset.
Sir, where can we find out?
Sorry, ma. Where
Sorry,
can I find?
sir. Where can we find out how many business rules are running on this and
Very good.
like that?
Very good. You can keep some log. Okay. Let's keep some log. We can keep some log. That is a simple
Okay.
answer. Okay. But if you don't keep the log, maybe you can see all logs and then see the transactions and then come up. So where I said logs? Where is that? My logs, all logs. So yes, see here, this is the one which we ran now. Okay, this is fine. Is that having set workflow? Okay, this is fine. Okay, now before that we ran this one. Okay, and no, we just printed it. Before printed, yes. So just see if we have something called the bag script here. Done about this one we are trying to update. This one we ran it, right? This time we didn't get properly. So here, see if we have something like business tool. I think somewhere I can find it. Here script is there. No, script is business. So here we have some script now. Maybe this one. I don't know whether it is correct one or not. But this is also running. Okay, we need to see whether this is the one or something else. Okay, or in a simple manner, maybe set some script here. Okay, and then find it how many times it is running. That is the reason I said, when I printed it, I was getting to know it was running 4 times. 2 times with value, 2 times without value. Right? You seen it? So, not like this. So when I run like without first time when I run like without sysid and all, without set workflow, we seen 4 lines. 2 lines with sysid, 2 lines with blank. You see it, ma?
Yes. Yes, I have.
Yeah.
Yep.
Why? Because it ran 4 times. Okay, after this update, it again ran. So one time one value and then second one. So just give me 1 second. So why it was not set properly? Maybe we will identify if you all have some patience. So see here, this is the script exactly. Okay, and now go to groups and then get this group manager changed. Right, this was our requirement. Okay, for database, okay, maybe for other one procurement also, it was like this. Right, now we are thinking like this guy is not available, so we need to change this one to his manager, who is here, this guy, dot manager dot manager, this field will be, okay. Now when I am running the script, I seen some, okay, see, we are running it now, so gs dot print of, okay, uh, so which one we are updating? This one we are updating, right? So let's print like this. Now we will get to know what exactly it is trying to set. Correct? Yes or no?
Okay.
Okay, so now I'm running it. Earlier we seen 4 results. Okay, so see here, we have only 2 records who are, so these 2 records we have it. For these 2, it needs to update. But script ran how many times? 8 times. So some, okay, one record maybe 4 times it ran. Okay, maybe now I'm running it again. Just give me 1 second because it is cleared one. Okay, now let it one more time. Now see only from one group point of view. No. Okay, now for this also it ran 8 times. So see, this is Abraham Lincoln. Okay, CID. When it runs, just give me a minute. What we are printing, ma? So we are printing here manager. Okay, so because of this, it is printing Abraham Lincoln. It is setting here, and then gr.manage. Okay, so here we should print this one little above before setting the value. Okay, now we see the correct one. Oops, what happened? Nothing done.
The code is already
Execute.
run,
Yeah,
so
and then
yeah.
it is cleared. Nothing is there. Very good. Very good. Just give me a minute, man. Done. Done, Bosco. Okay. We only see from one group point of view. Okay. Now we have only one group. Now we are executing for only one group. Just to see if I don't use set workflow, how many times it is running. So one, it should give one, and then it should also give the one which we are going to set it up. Now it would be a clear one. Okay. It ran one time. First, for one record, it ran. Okay. First, it set this guy. Okay. Because why it set Abraham Lincoln? Because Abraham Lincoln is the manager. So what it do is it went here and then open the group and then changed it. Okay. So first thing. And then the same script recursive second time ran. Okay. Then it said this guy. Who is this guy? Abraham Lincoln manager. Okay. So second time ran and then it kept this group as this guy. Right? And then again one more time ran recursive. So this guy manager is blank. So it said empty here. Okay, and then again it ran again empty. So it set again empty. So finally we confused and we seen empty. So where exactly the problem? The problem is not with the code which is setting, but recursive. Right? Clear, ma? Now you will ask me why, sir, why it only run 4 times? I don't know. Maybe there are 4 business rules are there, for something is there like on update. Okay, something is updating because of that update. This is updating. I don't know. Right? Maybe it sometimes go for infinite also. We don't care. We don't know. Right? Based on the how many updates, how many other business rules triggering. But some other business rule are initiated this again and again, which is called recursive. So to avoid this kind of situation, what I did is I set workflow equal to false. Okay. When I use set workflow equal to false, what will happen, ma? It will not trigger or set any other workflows. Right? So see here, very good. Now just run one more time. SysID is also not required, but let's see. Okay, we tried with SysID. Now it should work. See here, one time ran. This is the manager, it took it up. This is the manager, it set it up. Now go to this one and then try to refresh it. The manager is changed to Abraham Lincoln per database group. Crystal clear, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Everyone, yes, ma?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So now the scheduled job which we kept here, okay, will run every time, every day on this time. It find any groups with invalid managers. It will pick his manager and then set it up. Okay. Now you will ask me one question, sir. His manager is also not available. Then next day it will set to next level manager,
LM ಅಂತ.
right? But it needs to wait for one day because the next time job needs to be executed. Now next day it will execute again and then is set to his manager. And if he have any pain, so why I need to maintain it? Then tell me the right manager. You got it, ma? Let's say we are setting Abraham Lincoln is the group manager. Abraham Lincoln will come up and say, why you set me as a manager? Because we will tell you are his manager. If you have a pain, you tell me what could be the manager for this group. Correct? This is how we administrate. We have a command here. ServiceNow administrators. If we are loose here, they will shout on us.